Hi, I'm Jim Juback, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick, Generac Holdings. Now, it's too early to say that the Glasgow Global Warming Summit is a failure. In fact, there's some substantial things coming out of it. If you look at the overall shape of the event, we're not going to do enough to stop the steady upward creep in global temperature and all the stuff that goes with that, including extreme weather events of all kinds. Generac Holdings is a company that makes backup power generators, both for homes and businesses. They have in fact about 70 to 75% of that market. They have scale, they're 4 times the size of their nearest competitor, and they also generate a fair amount of profit, which they're using to move the business as a whole into clean energy, backup battery systems to do a whole home integration. So that's what we're looking at. But we're looking at basically a company that's driven by extreme climate events. If you looked at my recent video on the melt-up market, one of the things I said was that in a melt-up market, when you get a stock that's been going up and up and up and up, and it falters, people sell because you don't want to be in something that's not going up when everything else is going up. So we're looking at, even after this recent drop on some relatively mildly negative guidance. Basically, the company went out and said, hey, you know, like everybody else in the world, we're having supply chain problems and it's cutting into margins. Even in a market that's trending up, you get these little big buy on the dip drops in individual stocks, not in the market as a whole, as used as an opportunity to add Generac to your portfolios. The stock itself is up about 99% even with this drop for the year to date. So it's got a strong momentum. This is a stock that I would like to own over the next year, maybe 2 years. Morningstar is saying sales growth is likely to start to plateau in 2023. Also, and as the company moves into clean energy and software, it's looking now at competing with companies like Enphase and SolarEdge. You know, they're making small acquisitions to move into these businesses to add software capability. So for the next year and a half, I think this is a momentum play on bad weather events. After that, sort of look and see where they are in terms of how well they're doing at integrating all this stuff into the new company. If you want more of my stuff, you can subscribe to my free site. If you want to get everything I write, including 6 portfolios and all the posts, you can subscribe to my paid site, gbacam.com, and you see links to all of that down below. Thanks very much for watching.